Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll study about the structure of the cell. In my previous video, as I mentioned, the cell is the fundamental unit of every living thing, whether it's an animal or plant. The part of the cells are described below, and those are cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, DNA, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome, and Golgi apparatus. Now we will go through the functionality of the part of the cells. Cell membrane. This structure is not only surrounds and protects the cell but also determines what passes into and out of the cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is the controlling structure of the cell. It directs the reproduction of the cell and determines the structure and function of the cell. Chromosomes. These are rod-like structures within the nucleus. All human body cells contain 23 chromosomes. The sperm and the egg cells have only 23 chromosomes each. After the egg and sperm cells unite to form embryo, each cell of the embryo then has 46 chromosomes, that is 23 pairs each. Chromosomes contain regions called genes. There are several thousand genes in an orderly sequence on each chromosome. Each gene is composed of a chemical called DNA, and the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA regulates the activities of the cell by its sequence on each chromosome. When the code is carried out of the nucleus to the rest of the cell, it directs the activities of the cell, such as cellular production and the manufacture of proteins. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is all the material outside the nucleus and enclosed by the cell membrane. It carries on the work of the cell. If it is in a muscle cell, it does the contracting. If it is in a nerve cell, it transmits the impulses. The cytoplasm contains mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria. These are small sausage-shaped bodies like miniature power plants. Produce energy by burning food in the presence of oxygen. This chemical process is called catabolism. During the catabolism process, complex foods such as sugar and fat are broken down into simpler substances, and energy is released to do the work of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of canals within the cell. These canals are like a cellular tunnel system in which proteins are manufactured for use in cell. This process of building up complex materials such as proteins from simpler parts is called anabolism. During anabolism, small pieces of protein are fitted together like links in a chain to make larger proteins. The two processes, anabolism and catabolism, are known as metabolism. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and to hit the bell icon for the upcoming learning videos.